Hi there, thank you for watching this video tutorial by rbasupplies.com. In this video, we are going to cover XC116 and in particular how well it cleans up after being abused with oil, be it e-juice, be it whatever oil that you might subject this material to. In this particular case, we're actually going to dip it in motor oil. We couldn't think of anything worse, more disgusting, more sticky, more impossible to get out than motor oil. Used motor oil at that. So what I'm going to do here is take the XC116 and I'm going to place it on my screwdriver. It's a miniature screwdriver and the diameter of it is 1/16 of an inch. That happens to be the inside diameter of XC116. That's what the 116 stands for on XC116, is the inside diameter, not the outer diameter. The outer diameter is actually just under 3 millimeters. As you can see, I stuck the XC116 inside the drum of used motor oil. Now this is some nasty stuff. This is stuff that I've had in our 4Runner that frankly was about 7,000 miles overdue. It's pretty nasty used motor oil. I chose this particular substance because I just wanted to show you how well XC116 cleans up under a torch cleaning once it's been properly treated by rbasupplies.com. As you can see, the wick, the XC116, is absolutely blackened by this used motor oil that's had time to set into the fibers by now. I'm going to grab my handy dandy torch and I'm going to use it to torch the XC116 clean. The particular torch that I use is a pretty hot flame. It's a benzomatic. It's actually a MAP gas. MAP gas is one of the hotter flames that you can put on it. XC116 is actually rated up to 2600 degrees at peak performance and a continuous heat rating at 2200 degrees Fahrenheit. As you see, I went ahead and burned the excess oil off of the XC116. That's the flame that's burning right now. It's just burning anything that was on the surface, sort of the wet stuff, the wet oil that was left from dipping it. As you see, the wick is still pretty black, pretty nasty. So I'm going to go ahead and torch it a second time now, and in this torching, we are actually getting more of a deep clean on the wick. You can literally see the wick turn white, what I call painting. I call it painting it clean because that's kind of what it seems like you're actually doing. What I'm doing here is heating the wick up to the temperature of the hot part of the flame. I don't want to get it in the really hot part of the flame because I want to make sure that the temperature stays under 2200 degrees while I'm cleaning it. What's nice about this material though is that it can withstand continuous temperatures of up to 2200 degrees and peak temperatures of up to 2600 degrees Fahrenheit. As you can see, the XC116 is just turning back to its sort of a white pearly color. And that's burning that motor oil right out of the wick. Imagine if you can clean motor oil out of a wick like this. Just how clean can you get it with your gunked up e-juice? That is the beauty of XC116. It handles the heat. It cleans like a dream. And just like that, after being dipped in that disgusting motor oil, we're back to a nice clean wick that's hand touchable, that's still flexible within a matter of moments or minutes. Thanks again for watching this video tutorial. We look forward to seeing you again in any of the future videos we might do. That was the video tutorial for XC116 from RBA Supplies. You can buy it on our site, rbasupplies.com. That's http://www.rbasupplies.com. Thanks again for watching. Have a blessed day and enjoy your vape.